Just because you got a lot of gear doesn't mean you should have to deal with a lot of clutter. So if standard storage isn't cutting it, then BuiltRight Industries has exactly what you need with their Bedside Rack System. The BuiltRight Industries Bedside Rack System and Bedside Rack Cab Wall Kit are revolutionary upgrades in truck organization. Using factory mounting points, this system installs seamlessly, keeping your gear organized, accessible, and secure. Compatible with all MOLLE and PALS accessories, the BuiltRight Bedside Rack System offers universal slots for limitless storage configurations. Whether it's tools, straps, or emergency gear, everything has its place. And we all love our accessories. Well, BuiltRight knows that, and they came prepared. Need extra storage? The splash-proof BuiltRight MOLLE pouch is perfect for keeping smaller essentials organized and protected from the elements. Love your pack-out system? Well, BuiltRight's Milwaukee pack-out mounting bracket is engineered for extreme durability, supporting your toolboxes without adding bulk. Efficiency matters. BuiltRight's MOLLE nuts makes mounting accessories effortless. No more reaching behind panels, just secure, quick, and adjustable organization. And if you're not sure where to start, the BuiltRight MOLLE Attachment Starter Kit has everything you need to mount essential tools like shovels, tow straps, or even fire extinguishers. It's the perfect way to make the most of your MOLLE panels. BuiltRight Industries is all about smarter storage and reliable organization. So don't settle for a messy truck bed. Upgrade today and keep your gear exactly where you need it, when you need it. If you want to know more, check out BuiltRightInd.com.